Okay, I'm out in my man cave today, and I just wanted to show you more about the Sunfire, what I think about it. I ended up not really getting a chance to take it on a run yet, so hopefully tomorrow I'll be able to do that. I don't know when I'll get around to it. Just depends. I'd like to give it a speed run, see how fast it goes and stuff. But anyways, this guy, the most impressive part is how smooth this thing. It's like it doesn't even have a gearbox on it or anything. It just rolls really, really smooth. I mean, that thing just goes, man. I mean, it's bizarre. I've never had a car that was so well meshed. You know, maybe they oiled the diffs. I've not oiled any diffs on my cars. I've not got that deep into it. But this one is just really, really butter smooth, man. So I kind of picked this car up basically because I had these Hoons and I got them for the Typhon, and they just look kind of small for the Typhon. So I thought a 10th scale car would be perfect for this size tire. So this guy will probably become my street car. You know, I probably won't take it out in the sand that much because it's just a nice looking car and I don't want to mess it up. Don't mind my dog barking. I don't know what he's barking at. Anyways, so I put the 12 millimeter to 18 millimeter adapters on here, cranked the hell out of them. I cranked them all down really, really, really tight, and it's not restricting the wheels at all, so it worked out really good on that. I think the hexes on these are really nice. I mean, that's a major thing on a car to me, is that it's, you know, rolls good, because the less resistance, the better it's going to run. But anyways, that's it, man. That's my little baby. I punched a hole in the top and let the antenna come up through, because why have it bent back inside? Haven't done anything else to it. I know that other people have had trouble with those 12 to 18 millimeter adapters, but I'm not having any trouble with them at all. And I don't have a lot of play in the tires. I like that. You know, I really like it. It's just a nice car. Love it. Okay, so this is 10th scale, and if I was to compare it to my Typhon, although the Typhon has bigger top, that's 8th scale, so it's, you know, quite a bit bigger. And then I think this is a 12th scale, the WL Toys. I think it's a 12th scale. I'm sure it's not a 14th scale, so it kind of gives you a size comparison. It's a good size car. Just really happy with it. And today I also rigged up a bunch of lights on my cars, because I always watch Toronto RC, and I like the way he has his car set up with lights on them. Kind of a neat thing. It's not that easy to put lights on cars, especially if you're just hab-scabbing stuff together. I'm just using 12-volt lights that, you know, operate down in the 6-volt to 12-volt range, being that they're LEDs. So I'm just coming off the batteries direct on some of the cars. I do have some kits for lights, but it's like this car, I probably wouldn't put lights on it because I don't want a bunch of wires running around inside the car. I'd like to be able to work on it. The Typhon, I wouldn't put lights on it. This thing, I wouldn't put lights on it. It's already got the light bar. I'm not going to add lights to it. But my junky cars and my granite body, you know, no problem. I just put the lights inside the body and the batteries attached to it. So I've got two bodies. I just don't want to affect the chassis with wiring going through it, because it makes it harder to work on. But anyways, you guys are getting a brief glimpse of my man cave, and it's a total mess right now. I'll go ahead and pan around and let you guys see what the inside of it looks like, and just give you an idea. Alexa, turn on light show. Basically, that's kind of my light show. Got all kinds of little weird things up here. LED strip lights, kind of a thing for me. Got quite a few lights in the ceiling too as well, as you can see here. Huh. Okay, so I got a lot of lights in the ceiling. I got them everywhere. I don't know if you could really see them, but anyways, yeah, and a little pull down ladder. It's kind of cool. I like this little room. It's my man cave. It's one of the garages just converted over. I can still open the door if I want in the back there. And I just put a wall in so my wife would keep her stuff on her side and I could keep my stuff on my side. But basically that's it. And if I pan around, it goes around in a circle. And they got a little display case over there. Alexa, turn on display case.
Okay. And
I can fire stuff up. Alexa can do a lot of stuff for me. I got her dialed in for that.
Oh, there is nothing for me to resume.
No, I don't want you to resume. All right. I don't know how well this is going to show up, but here's my first car. Got lights in the rear, red. Flashing lights on the top. Here's my arm of granite. Here's my little generator. And here's my e-sheen. There's my cars. Put them sideways. That's pretty bright, those lights. Yep. Face them towards the back, maybe. Maybe rotate them. There. That's my lights on my cars. This is where I do all my little projects and stuff. All right. That's the friendly tour of the man cave. And hope you guys enjoyed it. And we'll be talking to you real soon. Like and subscribe.